To the club, like, what up? I got a big pack. Ounce pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. Rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green things that I left for me. Girl standing next to me. They should have washed me. Smells like R. Kelly jeans. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get tapping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments. Passing off on those moccasins. Someone else has been rocking them, bummy and grungy fucking it. I'm stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's the bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. Had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, and I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace name, my melon. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game. Hello, I could take some pro weights, make them cool, sell those. So sneakerheads will be like, he got the belt, bro. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not searching in the section. Examine your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand. I'll rock that motherfucker. The built-in onesie with the socks on that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop in that motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant bitch. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And I'm the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella dope. Gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
Is that your grandma's coat?
Getting on the internet and checking a new hit me get. First shot, I'm strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Some of the thing like Rocky Cosby's for the game, but no, y'all can't copy that. Bad, moonwalking. This here is a party. A party's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Grown music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on that stage light, going shine on down. Got that Bob Barker shoot game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm the I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T shit hustler. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the torch back busting. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. I feel it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Now, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah. I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I gotta hit it with my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark. We raw. Gonna go loud, the bomb. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see.